Welcome to this special report on the situation in South Sudan. Today I bring you three important stories unfolding in different parts of the country. Number one, the border dispute and security talk between South Sudan and Uganda in Kajo-Keji. Number two, we are going to talk about the renewed clashes in Upper Nile State involving the Nuer Army militia and the government forces. Thirdly, we will talk about the reported assault of Catholic priests in Lagos State. I will walk you through each of these events, explain their background, and share with you what they mean for the people on the ground. We have to begin with Kajo-Keji County on the border with Uganda. A joint military committee from the South Sudan People Defense Forces, the SSPDF, and the Uganda People Defense Forces, or UPDF, met with county authorities this past weekend. Their mission was to listen to community concern and investigate a recent border security incident around the area of Nyaiga Muda. Local officials and traditional leaders spoke to the generals, explaining that the land belonged historically and legally to South Sudan. However, after clashes last month between South Sudanese and Ugandan forces, Uganda troops reportedly occupied the area. That fighting resulted in the deaths of several South Sudanese soldiers. The Joint Committee did not come empty-handed before arriving in Kajo-Keji. They visited Uganda Moyo and Yumbe district. They are expected to compile all findings into a detailed report to be presented to Army Chief of both nations within 10 days. For local residents, the concern is not only about line on a map. The disputed land is tied to farming livelihoods and the grave of ancestors. One elder told the delegation that this is our home, we cannot abandon it, even if guns surrounded us. The people of Kajo-Keji now wait to see whether the committee report will lead to peaceful resolution or if tension will continue to simmer on the border. In another report, fighting in Upper Nile State, we are now turned to the northeast, where violence has once again shaken Greater Upper Nile State near the town of Nasir. According to the South Sudanese military, fighting broke out on Monday between government forces and the Y Army militia. Army spokesperson Garang Ateng said that Y Army fighters launched 3 separate attacks on Army positions. The clashes resulted in the deaths of 4 government soldiers and 10 militia fighters. This fighting is especially significant because it comes only months after the arrest of the first Vice President, Dr. Riek Machar, in March. That arrest has sparked international concern and warning of a possible return to full-scale civil war. Machar political party, the SPLMIO, has denied any current ties to the Nuer Army. The Nuer Army, a community-based militia of Nuer youth, has long been associated with Machar in the eye of his political rival, though both he and the SPLMIO reject that claim today. For many in Nasir and surrounding villages, the renewed violence has brought back memories of the 2013 to 2018 civil war, when clash between forces loyal to President Salva Kiir Mayardit and Dr. Riek Machar led to devastating civilian losses. A local community leader who was not to be named said, "Every time leader fight, it is our children who died." The politicians sit in Juba, but here in the village we bury the young. The situation remained tense in Nasir, with fear that further clash could ignite wider conflict in the Upper region. In another story is assault on a priest in Lake State. Our final story takes further to Lake State, where a Catholic priest was allegedly assaulted by soldiers in Rumbek East County. Reverend Father Stephen Mangar Machar, a parish priest at Pakong Mission, said he was attacked on Sunday while traveling to visit a bishop in Tonadwil. According to Father Mangar, soldiers from Mabor Dong Barak stopped him, insulted him, and accused him of being a criminal simply for wearing a closed face mask. He said the soldier fought over his mask, wrestled him into the ground, and struck him on the face and neck. When he tried to seek help from a surgeon, the officer instead told the soldier to take him up, which Father Mangar understood as a command to continue harassing him. He later failed while attempting to board their truck and was slapped again before bystanders, including another priest and a doctor, intervened to rescue him. Father Mangar is currently receiving treatment for his injuries at Rumbek State Hospital. The county commissioner, Malwala Nyon, confirmed the assault and say the soldier involved have been arrested and are being held pending investigation. Civil society groups have condemned the incident. Daniel Latkon of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization say it is very unfortunate that soldier attack a man of God, and even if a priest is accused of wrongdoing, the matter should be handled through legal channel, not violence. The church has also called for accountability, stressing that priests, doctors, and aid workers must be respected and protected. A nation at a crossroad. These three stories, border clash in Kajo-Keji and renewed fighting in Upper Nile State, and the assault on a priest in Lake State, may seem separate, but they reveal one central truth: South Sudan's fragile peace remains under strain. From the disputed border to political rivalries to the treatment of ordinary citizens, the challenges facing the country are immense. For the people of South Sudan, the demand is simple: peace, dignity, and accountability. As one elder in Kajo-Keji put it, we do not need more report, we need safety. We need leaders who see our suffering. Well, this has been a special live report on the state of affairs in South Sudan. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for further updates as they unfold. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.